Hello, kindergarten friends. Today for science, we are going to learn about senses. Can you say senses? That's right. Senses are things that we use to explore the world around us. I'm going to look at this picture. I see she has headphones on her ears. I think that we are going to learn about our sense of hearing today. If you think so too, oh my goodness, our senses. Hearing, we were right, awesome, by Karen Jones. Our bodies help us learn and explore the world around us. I see her hair blowing in the wind. Her arms are out. She is using her body to feel the weather outside. Her feet are in the sand. We see, we hear, we taste, we touch, and we smell. These are called our senses, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. What do we use our nose for? That's right, to smell. And our eyes, we use them to see. Our ears, we use them to hear. Our hands we use to touch or feel. And our mouths we use to taste. Awesome. All right. Scientists, hey, we've been learning about those, haven't we? Scientists use their senses when they do experiments. They need to watch, just like you did when you watched the colors change. They need to listen closely. They need to touch, smell, and sometimes they even have to taste things to figure out an answer to their question. Hearing is one of our 5 senses. Do you know what body part we use to hear? Point to that body part. That's right, our ears. We use our ears to hear sounds, and we use our ears to hear people talking. Your ears receive a sound waves. We can't see these waves, but your ears receive a sound wave. It figures out what the sound is, and then it sends it to your brain. How cool is that? Some sounds are nice and pleasant. Soft music is a nice sound that helps us calm down. Some sounds are not pleasant. A loud banging drum may hurt your ears. Show me what you do when you hear something that's too loud. That's right. Sometimes we might plug our ears or cover our ears. It's too loud. You can hear loud and soft sounds. You can hear sounds that animals make, like this kitty here. You can hear people's voices. You can hear sounds from cars and trains, and you can hear music. Our sense of hearing is very important. We use it all day long. And guess what? You are using your sense of hearing right now, listening to me read this story. Wow. Okay, now, how do we use our sense of hearing? Boys and girls, on the next slide on Seesaw, you will see I linked a game for you. You are going to click on the link and you are going to hear a game called What's That Sound? You will press play and try to guess. All right, boys and girls, I hope you have so much fun.